Now children, today we will start the 10th part of your AP, that is exercise 5.3, 18, 19 and 20, last three sums. Okay, now the question is, the spiral is made of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with the center A of radius 0.5. First, then second 1.0, okay, then 1.5, then 2.0 centimeter as shown in the given figure. Then what is the total length of such a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles, and the pi value is also given 22/7, and the that is a hint, that is a given, that the length of successive semicircle is L1, L2, L3, L4 with the centers at AB, AB respectively. We know that the length of semicircle is a pi r, okay, and r is the radius, okay, and the radius the length of first semicircle with the center A, okay. So pi into, what is the given, pi into, now that one, the pi into 0.5. The length of second semicircle with the center B, radius 1 centimeter, so we can say pi into 1 centimeter. Then here pi into 1.5 centimeter. The system continued till 13 semicircles with are drawn. Then the 13th semicircle will be drawn with the center A and the radius 6.5. आप करोगे तो you will get the same answer. Okay, so here it is a given. With center A and the radius 6.5 centimeter, the length of 13 semicircle with the center A and the radius 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so now the total length of the spiral, L1 plus L2 plus L3, we can write L13. So pi first, second, third, or either last nth term. Okay, so now we can write the sum inside the bracket is the sum of all 13 terms of the finite AP, so 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 6.5. For this arithmetic progression 0.5 D, 1 minus 0.5, so D is 0.5 and N is total is 13. Sn, okay, Sn, क्योंकि what is asking, that is a given, that the made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. So now 13 upon 2. 2 into A 0.5 plus 13 minus 1 D into D 0.5. Okay, so now Sn equal 13 upon 2 and here 2 multiplied by 12. So 5 12s are 60. So decimal after one place, you will start from the right hand side. So answer will be 6, not 60. Clear children? So here 13 upon 2, 1 plus 6, 7. Hence the total length of spiral here. Okay, pi, and now what we will write? 13 upon 2 into 7. Okay, so now 20 pi की value, pi 22 upon 7 into 13 upon 2 into 7, हमें ये total मिला है. So now 2 ones are 2 11 1 1, 7 7 cancel, 13 into 12 13 into 11 143 centimeter. Thus the total length of spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircle is 143 centimeters. Thank you children. Now children, question number 19. The 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row next to it, and so on. See the given figure. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Okay, so number of logs stacked in the rows from the first AP is 20, second 19, then 80 up to n terms, and the sum of those n term is 200. So A equal 20, D equal 19 minus 20, so D equal minus 1. Clear? Now Sn equal n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, Sn 200. Okay, we can write now n upon 2, 2a 20 plus n upon 1 d minus 1. So 200 equal n upon 2, 2 to 40 minus and minus minus plus 1. तो 40 plus 1 41 minus n 400 equal 41 n and minus n square. So n square minus 41 n plus 400. क्लियर. अब इसके हमें फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. ठीक है. n square minus 41 plus 400 equal 0. Okay. So now 400 total. So now factors are minus plus. तो फैक्टर्स दोनों क्या आएंगे? माइनस माइनस. तो माइनस माइनस टोटल करेंगे. 16 25 इंटू 25 1 4 करेक्ट आ रहे हैं. n minus 16 minus 25 n minus 16 equal 0 n minus 16 n minus 25 equal 0. चिल्ड्रन ये पार्ट दिस पॉइंट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. माइनस प्लस है तो माइनस माइनस ही आना चाहिए. तो दोनों प्लस करेंगे तो ही 41 आएगा. Children, factorization, identities, so please n minus 16 equals 0, so n is equal to 16 and n equal to 25. Up both the answers are admissible. Hence we verify by the value of 16 term and 25th term. हमें क्या बोला है कि हमें find out करना है. Here it is given, the question is given that 18th in the row and here it is a given. Okay, so 25th term. Okay, so now here it is given. हम करेंगे first a16th that is given a plus 15 16 minus 1 डायरेक्ट हम लोग डायरेक्ट ओके डायरेक्ट कर रही हूँ. a16 a plus 15d, so a equals to 20 plus 15 into minus 1, so minus 15. So here a equals to a16 equal to 5. अब आया a25 a plus 24d, so 20 plus 24 into minus 1, so 20 minus 24, so minus 4. Thus for the 25th row. Okay, thus for the 25th row. Okay, अब देखो n equal 16 and n equal 25. अब आप बोलोगे कि n इंटू 16 मुझे कहाँ से आया, मुझे क्या करना है. ये n इंटू 16 तो मैंने an 16 लिया, n इक्वल्स टू 25 तो मैंने 25 लिया. क्लियर चिल्ड्रेन, ये हमें ध्यान रखना है. Thus for the 25th row the number of 10 logs in the row becomes negative. Okay, this is inadmissible. So here n not equals to 25 होगा ही नहीं. क्या आएगा? a16 इक्वल 5. तो a16 इक्वल टू 5 है तो कितने आएंगे ऊपर, कितने लॉग्स लास्ट में बचेंगे? 5. Thus the 200 logs are placed in the 16 row. ओके, ऐसे 16 करते जाएंगे. ऐसे हम 16 ऐसे करेंगे, करते 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 16 में जो ऊपर है that is 5 बचेंगे. Thus the 200 logs are placed in 16 rows and in the top row there are 5 logs. वो टॉप रो में हमारा कितना आएगा? 5 logs. Clear children? Now children, we will start the 20th sum. Okay. Now in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is a 5 meter from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. Okay, figure, just check. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it. वो वापस जा रहा है. Drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in the, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Now here, the hint is there to pick up the first potato and the second potato. The total distance in meter run by the competitor is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. Okay, आना जाना होता है. The distance in meters to be covered to pick up the first potato, 2 into 5 equal 10. The distance in meter to be covered to pick up the second potato, 2 into 5 into plus 3. Okay, so here it is given 5 plus 3 8, 8 2 are 16. यहाँ पे बच्चे गलती करते हैं. The distance in meter to be covered to pick up the third potato, 2 into 5 plus 3 plus 3. क्यों? क्योंकि नेचुरल 3 है, तो इक्वल 5 + 3 8, 8 + 3 11. Okay, 11 into 2 22. Okay, thus the distance to be covered to pick up the 10 potatoes from the finite AP is 10, 16, 22 up to 10 terms. A equal 10, D equal, अब D क्या है? D क्या है? 16 minus 10, तो 6. N equal 10. Sn will give the total distance in kilometer that competitor has to run. So now Sn equal n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn क्या है? 10. 10 नंबर है. N, sorry children, 10 upon 2, 2a, अब 2 क्या है? 2 into 10. नंबर क्या है? 10 minus 1, 9 into 6. तो S10 equal 5. 20 plus 9 6 are 54. तो 20, 54, 64, 74. S10 equal 5 into 74. So S10 equal 370. 370, sorry children. Thus the total distance that the competitor has to run is 370 meters. Children, maintain your notebook. Please children, maintain your notebook. Thank you children.